Right, this is GreatStockPicks.com, Friday, August 20th highlight video. Only had 3 official calls today. I did cut out for the afternoon because options expiration on August Friday afternoon didn't even interest me. Volume's too low, so we did have a few calls today, and I'm going to share you. I'll just share all 3 of them with you. That we don't have to wonder if there's any we're omitting or anything. HP, the highlight of the day. Whoops, give me 1 second here. We called this one right here on this candle, worst case stop right here. So we did it again. We caught this within 5 minutes of the low, never stopped out. 35.65 was the long idea. Worst case stop 35.55. So a dime at risk, dime per share. Never stops out, and from 35.65, the highest it made it was up in this area, 36.49. So an 84-cent move from here to here, 10 cents risk, never got stopped out. Let's see, we had 2 others. BSDM. Now this is unusual for me to call something like this. It show you how desperate I'm getting trying to find ideas in August. Give me 1 second here. Okay, again, an unusual call for me. But here's the daily chart. I mean, just had no volume at all back here. Normally I would leave something, but look at this. 27 million shares a few days ago. Huge move. Had it on bounce watch for today. Had put in an inside red day yesterday. Had it on bounce watch for today, meaning if it broke its early high, like it put in a 15-minute narrow range and then broke its early high, we were going to take it. That didn't happen, but here's the open. These are 5-minute candles. I did call this as a potential long as it broke this candle's high. $2.30 was the trigger. Worst case stop, $2.25. So only a nickel at risk. You can see it only went to $2.34 before coming back down. It did give everybody 5 or 10 minutes to kill it flat. If not, lost about a nickel there. So that was my second one of the day. And then the last one I called that actually met all of our parameters and triggered. 5-minute candles again. SYMC 1355 was the call. I believe that triggered right. Nice arrow. 1355. Worst case stop 1347. So there was a call, and then I would try to draw. That's not the best straight line, but anyway, it never did hit the stop. So if you were patient and sat through this sideways move, 1355, it ended up going up to 1380 something. I don't know exactly what, but anyway. Again, low risk, but I hate August trading. So a lot of just Q&A time in chat, and the sporadic good trade. I'm a little more optimistic about next week. A lot of people have kids back in school. Maybe we get more volume. Who knows? But in the meantime, a lot of time to teach our methods in the chat room. Whoops, let me get that off there. But just to reiterate, the highlight of the day, again, out of 3 calls, 2 of them made money, 1 of them small loss, was catching HP within 5 minutes of the low of the day. That was the big one right there. And a stop right there that never got hit. So I'm going to quit babbling. Have a great weekend. And again, we're keeping my powder dry. I've been trading all these small, waiting for September to get here, and our setups to hopefully get a little more follow through and a little more volume behind these moves so we can make a little more money. But anyway, have a great weekend, and we'll have a highlight video on Monday afternoon.